Hey yo boys, it's your boy Almighty Gratitude and yeah. So what is your name? It's Radem. Okay, so can I please ask you some questions? The first question is that a plane from Joburg to Cape Town crashes on the air. Where would they bury the survivors?
Cape Town.
You're slow, Lena. You are slow, Lena. Fucking idiot.
Oh my God!
Next try. Another try. You can give it a try again.
Hey.
Yeah, think again.
Joburg.
Joburg.
Can you please repeat that question?
Okay. A plane from Johannesburg to Cape Town crashes on the air. Where would they bury the survivors?
Joburg.
Joburg.
Yes.
Hey, man.
Oh. They won't bury the survivors because you can't bury the survivors.
Oh. Yes. Oh.
So the second question is that is 6 plus 7 11 or 11?
11.
11. Think. 6 plus 7.
6 plus 7.
Is it 11 or 11?
13.
That's the only.
And that's the end. Thank you.